second time in just a few months that I've been asked how to fix a table that's been damaged by nail polish remover. And I thought, that's pretty useful knowledge. Why not make a video about it? I'm Anna. This table has been damaged by nail polish remover and I'm gonna try my best to fix it. So here's the scenario. It's a lovely afternoon and you want to change the color of your nail polish. So you sit down, put on some YouTube, probably, your favorite show, Home Culture, and you pull out your nail polish remover to remove the original color. So you're just about to start and you knock over. No, you don't knock over. Your cat comes, even if you don't have a cat, but the cat comes and knocks over the bottle and you get nail polish remover all over your table. What do? First, wipe it off. Not by wiping, you want to dab it off. If you wipe, you'll just smear it and cause more of a problem, so dab it dry. Then you want to make sure you remove any, maybe that's kind of hidden in there, that kind of soaked in, and you do that by mixing, this sounds weird, but you mix baking soda. Baking soda is a solution to everything, I guess. You mix baking soda with Vaseline at a 1-to-1 ratio, and then you take a little sponge and you just gently rub it in. This isn't going to restore your finish or anything, it's just going to soak up and remove any of the extra acetone. My sponge is a little damp just to wipe it off, but I think that should do it. We should be completely acetone free now. There's this technique online that I've seen quite a bit for removing white spots. So here would be where the acetone has kind of ate through the finish, and I don't know if it works. I want to give it a try. So you put a cloth over your white spot and then you iron it out. And according to TikTok, it seems to work really well, but I don't know. I don't know if it does, so I want to give it a try, and then we'll be able to see in real time if it actually works. So, got my iron set on really high, and I have a cloth. Let's see. This is a spot I'm going to try the iron on. So, here's my cloth, my really hot iron. No, not yet. That was 10 seconds. Oh, it's a little bit faded. Yeah, a little bit. Not super, but a little bit. I would say it didn't do much. Maybe that was just in my mind at first, but I don't think it's really fixing this at all. And it's a hot iron. No, I'm gonna say it doesn't do anything. So the iron trick is a no-go. Don't even bother with it. The biggest spot here that's damaged actually feels rough, so I have 400 grit sandpaper and I'm going to go very gently just to smooth out that roughness. I've pulled out all my stains and stain markers that I think have the right colors. Now I know I won't be able to color match it perfectly, but I feel like if I mix enough colors together, I'll be able to get close enough. So now it's just coloring with stain. Yeah. I'm going to start with the lightest color first and just keep layering colors until I'm happy. Ooh, this is a good match. Wow. See, layering does work. The color matching is turning out actually really good, but I need this part here, the most damaged part, I need this really to soak in and penetrate the wood for a bit. Start really wanting to soak in, so I'm going to rough it up with some slightly rougher sandpaper, just really tiny, just make little nicks. So then this makes grooves for the stain to suck into. I'm gonna leave this for several minutes now and let it just soak right in. That patch that I just stained needs to completely dry before I can finish up with it. But there are a couple other spots on this table that have a bit of damage. It's either heat damage or water damage, and I know the perfect product to fix that. And it's Restore Finish. I've used this in another video before, and I know it's gonna be perfect on here because I already did a test spot and it worked so good. So there's a few spots and it's so easy to fix them. I'm just going to dab some Restore Finish on a cloth and rub it in, and bye-bye boo-boos. Isn't that so nice? I wish all my projects were this easy. Yeah, you just rub it in and then wipe it off. Look how good that looks. And it's not just because it's wet, it's really because it's been fixed up. I think I'm gonna do it to the whole table. Oh, amazing, eh? Ah, it's so good. All right, I'm now just gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come back and touch up my touch-up spot, the real touch-up spot. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go over that with some Restore Finish and see how it looks. And then I just have to seal it all, just to protect this, like to seal and protect my fixes. But it's turning out really, really well and really easy. Yeah. The table's ready to be top coated, but I'm not going to show you my little touch-up spot until the final reveal. There is a bit of metal work in the middle of the table, so before I start spraying the sealer on, I need to cover that up. So how did it turn out? Well, let me show you a side-by-side comparison. Yes, when you're looking at it straight on, you can tell that there was something there. And the camera does enhance it a bit, but in a room with the rest of the furniture, I don't think people are gonna notice this at all. So if you've had a little accident with your nail polish remover, you don't have to throw away your table. Just pick up some stain or those stain markers, and remember to mix up different colors just to give it a more of a natural look. And with that, I have to return this table. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, sub. It would really make a big difference to our channel. And I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! And we should be good. No. Yes, you can still see. Yes, you can tell that there's something. Yes, you can tell that there was something there. Yes, when you're looking at it straight on, yeah, just a little love, and you can bring your table back. But anyway, speaking of love, I have a strawberry chocolate smoothie waiting for me upstairs. So that's what I'm going to do, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.